Hi guys, so another day, another vlog. So today's vlog is kind of different because I'm using this new microphone. So you cannot see, you cannot hear clearly the background, guys. You can only hear my voice, my natural voice.
You're testing this new mic.
Yeah, we're testing it because we already bought the microphone, guys. It was 2 years, 3 years.
You bought so many already.
But it didn't working. We couldn't
Yeah, I
find
bought
the
it.
right one.
I don't know what's wrong. It won't connect. But this one is the cheapest one, and it looks like it's working.
Yeah. And the other one that we bought is from USA. We bought that. And it didn't working. So this time is work. So
You're working, right?
yeah, we're gonna walk so that we can really try if the noise. Ah.
And I'm going to the dentist.
Yeah, and how is going to the dentist. Guys, as you can see, my forehead is already black. because of the because of the ocean we went to Bohol. But the important I know Boracay. Boracay. But the important is we enjoy. We enjoy the Boracay. Okay. So that is the namin. Yeah, I want to, but still gonna be here. Or if we go to the market, then I can get from
Yeah,
there.
you don't need to go.
And I'm gonna cook later. You want to eat that? Fried banana. Fried banana, madam. You want chai tea? This lady, my God, she's pregnant and the husband in the jail right now. And she still have small kids. Oh my God. How can they have kids right away when the baby, this is a baby. It's not even 1 year. The one that's pregnant, it's not even 1 year, the baby. And she already pregnant for 5 months. And the husband is in the jail. Now she's driving the tricycle. That's how that's how she make money. Why this is moving? Let me check. Okay. Now it's far. So you give me the reviews, guys. How is my voice? If you like this mic, and I will put the link if everybody wants to order this mic. We ordered this from Lazada. My God, I can imagine my face. It will be back normal after few weeks. So yeah. So when we are in Boracay, guys, when we are eating at chicken inasal in Boracay, so Harry bite the bones of the chicken. So now his tooth is cracked, but that tooth is already have problem before. It's already cracked
It's a
before.
filling. I
Yeah,
keep doing it every year or so. Keep filling it. I don't want to get it full.
like it's like the feeling.
Hello.
It's only good for 1 year because every year you always do the feeling.
Filling.
But he likes to chew the bones, so that's what it is.
And it happened on the
Enjoy.
last day.
Yeah, when we are
Everything was
living.
fine. The last day of our trip. And I was like, oh,
and
I can feel it.
and then the last minute I stop him. Don't you the ones stop
Yes,
that?
that already happened.
Are you already happened
Of
that?
course.
Ah, I see.
I was already feeling it. I was like, I can feel something wrong. I don't feel the pain, but I can feel something wrong. Now is the time to pull because I didn't feel the pain till today. Today also I was eating over this, and now it's split.
Yeah,
Now it's split. Now it's pain. Now I cannot brush from this
yeah.
side.
So
And
now you really need to
yeah, pull it out. That's it.
fall
Now is
this
the time. Go.
fall out.
No, the side. They have to pull out the side because it's cracked. It divides into two.
But then it's gonna be
Divides into
need
two.
to fall out both.
Just walking, sir. Walking only. I think it's wrong.
Ano po? Thailand, Bangkok. Thailand, Bangkok.
No, not today. I'm tired. I just come from over
Ah,
there. No, not today. I'm trying to bring my
ayan. He's inviting us to go to Thailand. He said he's going to Thailand.
vlog.
Oh. Basta. This is for sabong, cockfight.
Yeah, I know.
There's another one there. This is how they live. Okay. Wala po. So we are just walking. This is Mabini Street. So this is your house.
How are you?
This is how they live. Corn. Oh no, this is peanuts. Boiled peanuts. Primera Kiko. This is another bar. But I think it's just closed. This one just opened recently. And it's already closed. This one club is called Jeepney, Manila. This is just opened recently also. The whole building black paint. It's actually a lot of newly open like bar here in Malate, here in Mabini Street. Some of them are closed already. Some of them are still open. I guess when they didn't survive, they closed. So this one they just put is another name or they just this is another before. This was another name of this spa. Now is Japan Spa. Forever abi Japan Spa. So that's VIP Orange Club. Sam Gibson. Another KTV bar. Right now is still closed. All the bars they will open later on. And this is the red planets. So they have another red planets in the other street. But same here in Malate. I guess in where is that? I forgot that street, but yeah, there's two red planets there. Another bar. This is all the bars. Like all of these are the bars. Queens, Kitty Viva, Club Vivi, Susu. When it's night time, this is the busy area. A lot of girls outside. And there's another one. Sexy ladies. Ish, bro. 'Cause still didn't finish the construction yet. It's good thing over here is has the lights. Before it's not working.
When you look my way, it gave me shiver. It's like I've waited all my life. When you said my name,